We sent a signal into space, and something should have answered by now. It didn't. Not once. Not ever. Thousands of stars have already received our signal, and still, nothing comes back. This shouldn't be possible. We've been broadcasting our existence since 1901. A century of radio, TV, and military transmissions, leaking out at the speed of light, forming an invisible sphere of human noise, 200 light-years wide. This is where it breaks. The universe is 13.8 billion years old. Life on Earth took less than a billion years to start. That means life could have begun on other worlds 12 billion years ago. Civilizations could have risen and fallen before our sun was even born. And yet, quiet. A silence so complete, it has a name. The Fermi paradox. The deeper you go, the more it feels like a warning. We are going very deep. Start with a number, 400 billion. That is the number of stars in the Milky Way alone. Of those, 80 billion are similar to our sun. Think about that for a second. Up to half of those systems have planets in the habitable zone. Do the math. 20 billion potentially habitable worlds in our galaxy. Right now, 20 billion chances for life to exist. And yet, we are completely alone. Life on Earth didn't wait. It appeared almost immediately. If that happens on just 1%, that's 200 million origins of life. 1% become intelligent, 2 million species. 1% built technology, 20,000 civilizations. 20,000, and we hear nothing. Zero. Where is everybody? We didn't just wonder, we listened. 1960, radio telescopes pointed at the stars. We waited, then something happened. August 15, 1977. A signal appears, perfect frequency, perfect pattern. Exactly what we were looking for. For 72 seconds, we thought we found something. Or at least we wanted to believe we did. And then, it never came back. There are explanations. Some are comforting, most are not. This is where it becomes uncomfortable, because one of them points directly at us. The great filter, a barrier that almost nothing survives. If it's behind us, we are lucky. If it's ahead, we are in danger. Somewhere between where we are now and becoming visible to the stars, almost everything dies. Not from nature, from themselves. We've had nuclear weapons for 80 years. We can engineer viruses. We have building intelligence we don't fully understand, and every one of these can end us. And we are already building all of them. The universe is silent, not because there is nothing out there, but because something happens to everything that gets this far. And if that's true, this isn't a mystery, it's a warning. The only question left is, are we early or are we next? And if we are, we may never know it's happening.